Hi, Chef Joe Crockett with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making mini pizzas with a kale salad. So the first thing we're going to do is mix our batter. We have some flour and some baking powder in here. We're also going to add a pinch of salt, as you should anytime you're baking anything. It enhances the flavors. So we're going to add our dry. Use my fingers and kind of mix this up, make sure there's no lumps. If you really wanted to go the extra step, you could sift this, but I don't think it'll really change it too much if you don't. Okay, we have our Italian seasoning. Now, if you don't want to buy a pre-mixed seasoning, you can make your own like we've done here. We've got some oregano, some basil, some garlic, and onion powder. You could kind of change it around, make it suit your tastes. Add those in. And next thing, we're going to add milk. And we have an egg here. And we're going to begin to combine all of this. Okay, so once you start to get this incorporated, you really kind of want to stir it good, make sure you're getting down to the bottom. You really want to make sure all of the dry is incorporated, because if you don't, you'll end up with little pockets of flour. So really make sure to use your spatula. I like using a silicone spatula here. You could use a whisk. Really make sure you get the sides of your bowl. Another little trick, I didn't think to do it ahead, but you can actually spray the bowl with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray before you put your ingredients in. That'll help a little bit too. Okay, we've got all that mixed together. Now we're going to add our cheese and our pepperoni into the mix. So I'm going to do a little bit at a time. We've got Parmesan and mozzarella. Fold that in. Get nice and cheesy. Okay, we have some pepperoni. Gonna do a little bit of that, incorporate it. In, and we're going to allow this to rest for 10, 15, 20 minutes, whatever amount of time that you've got. And allow these flavors to kind of come together. You can see the consistency that we're working with here. It becomes thicker once you add the cheese and the pepperoni. And we're going to bake this in a 375 degree oven in muffin tins until it's nice and golden brown. Pretty good to me. As I said before, we're going to let it rest, and we'll show you the rest of the process here in just a few minutes. And now we're ready to put our pizza batter that we've got our pepperoni and our cheese and our Italian seasoning already mixed up like we did earlier, but now we're going to put it into our muffin tins. And I've just sprayed a tablespoon with a little bit of non-stick spray. And we're going to put about 2 tablespoons worth in for one. Just kind of pat it down a little bit. Do this until we run out of batter. We've got our oven preheated to 375 degrees. I'm going to put just a little bit of water in the empty cups. If you have a convection oven or a silicone baking vessel, you don't have to do this. And honestly, if you didn't do this, I don't think it's going to alter anything, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. And all this really does is kind of help to evenly distribute the temperature in the absence of any product in your muffin tins there. Okay, we're gonna pop these in the oven at 375 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes or until they're nice golden brown. Okay, so as I said before, already inside of my bowl here, I drizzled my kale with olive oil, seasoned it with salt and pepper. Now we're gonna squeeze some lemon juice over the top. And that is all there is to our salad. If you wanted to make this maybe a little spicy, you could add some chili flake to it. Really any other kind of seasonings you want, or any dressings. If your kids like balsamic, you can make a quick balsamic vinaigrette with oil and balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper, or this is a simple lemon vinaigrette. I'm going to just add just a drizzle of honey to add a touch of sweetness to this. So we've got basically a lemon honey vinaigrette. That's all there is to it, so we'll pair that with our pizza bites when they come out of the oven. Alright, we're ready to check on our pizzas, and they look nice and golden brown. I'm going to pull those out. They've been in for just under 25 minutes. So we'll plate these up and we'll show you the finished product here in just a couple of minutes.